Ice cream now. Ice cream.
You all done?
No, she said, please, Dada. Oh, yummy. Charlotte, did you get some ice cream for being so good in Milwaukee?
Where are we?
Where's Maggie?
Where are we?
Where's Maggie?
You say
Milwaukee,
Milwaukee?
she is.
Where's Milwaukee? No.
Say, I need more ice cream.
Ice cream.
Please.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Spoon down. I got you, Charlie. Here you go.
Ooh, is that good?
Mama.
Is it yummy?